Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Hannah.
Okay.
Okay, well, I just wanted to check and see if you knew
Well,
who
we
you
all
were.
do the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, we were just talking about that.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Okay, well, you
But
two.
so sandbags, is that what would you put them around the house or something?
It's getting higher.
On the Facebook, they said they were going to bring some sandbags and put them out down
And
here.
we've got some neighbors looking for sand.
Bag crew, I guess.
Yeah. Good luck.
Yeah, everybody's coming to check it out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
If I find it all. I think we might have exchanged numbers at one point. I don't really remember.
Hi. Go for it. Coming up to 9 feet. Two steps visible from the tree mark. Gone up a whole nother step in the last 3 hours. Since I was here, at 7:30? Well, it's noon, so longer than that. I was working.
Maybe it's been longer than that.
I know I've lived here since 2017, and I remember 1 year in there. I was like a little concerned. Nothing like this, but
I was a little, this last time, whenever it was, I was a little concerned too. But I've been familiar with this area for a long time. I went to grade school at 49th and Boulevard when it was School 86. So, but then when I was a kid, I always spent summers and weekends on the farm. And then I ended up buying property out there, and I lived out there for 33 years. And ended up buying this little place, the tiny house, as I like to call it, in 2020. So, after I sold everything to the Dallas Cowboy,
oh yeah.
I decided I was just going to